Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter of class 10 mathematics, that is arithmetic progression. As you all knows it, in our previous classes we have already covered the basics related to arithmetic progression and work examples regarding the first exercise we have completed. In today's class, we are going to continue the chapter of arithmetic progression, exercise 1.1 for Karnataka State Board syllabus students, and for CBSE students this is exercise number 5.1. In the previous class, we have completed the first question of this chapter. By today's class, we are going to complete this exercise 1.1, that is question number 2. That's nothing but problem number 2 we are going to complete in today's class. Let's copy down the question. See children, here in this problem they are asking us to find the first 4 terms. See here, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are as given as follows. Here they have given different cases to solve the same condition, that is first term is A, that is the value is 10 and the common difference is 10. Now we need to find the first 4 terms. I hope you all knows the standard form of an AP, right? So what is the standard form of an AP? That is A, first term is A, next second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, and goes on continued. Correct now children? The first term, this is the first term, and this is the second term, and this is the third term, and this one is fourth term. So we need to find the values of first 4 terms, means A1, A2, A3 and A4 values we need to find. Correct me children? So here let me continue this problem. Got it? Solution. Let the first 4 terms of an AP B, which are the first 4 terms, that is A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Correct? So what is the value of A? That is 10. Children, always you have to make sure one thing here, between all the terms you have to maintain some gap so that the numbers should not mix with each other. See, for example, A value is 10, then you write comma, give some space between first term and second term. Got it? समझ में आया बेटा? 2 टर्म्स के बीच में थोड़ा गैप मेंटेन करो जिससे आपको पता चले कि A plus D completely एक टर्म है, A plus 2D is completely one term. That is the reason. Got it? So what is the value of A? Again 10 plus D value is also 10, comma A value is 10 plus 2 into D value is also 10, comma A value is 10 plus 3 into D value is also 10. That is 10 comma 10 plus 10 is 20, comma 10 plus 2 tens are 20, comma 10 plus 3 tens are 30. Any doubts? Is this clear? Are you getting the steps? Good. That is 10 comma 20 comma 10 plus 20, that is 30, 10 plus 30, that's nothing but 40. So the first 4 terms of an AP are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Is this clear? Any doubt? Similarly, here they have given option number 2. So here in this case we have to take the value of A as minus 2 and D as 0. Now we need to find the first 4 terms. Are you getting children? Again, solution. Let the first 4 terms of an AP be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Just substitute the values of A and D in this condition. What is the value of A? Minus 2, comma minus 2 plus D is 0, comma A is minus 2 plus 2 into value of D is 0, comma a is minus 2 plus 3 into value of d is 0. See here, minus 2 comma minus 2 plus 0. 0 means nothing, don't worry. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 only. Got it? Then minus 2 plus 2 zeros are 0 only. Then minus 2 plus 3 zeros are 0 only. That's nothing but minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is again minus 2 itself. So what are the first 4 terms of this AP? When a is minus 2 and d is 0, it remains same. See, the question itself says that there is no common difference. D is 0. D is 0 means the value remains same. Is this clear? Good. Similarly, here we have got option 3. See children, in option 3, in case 3, what they are asking us to find. In case 3, they have given the condition as the value of a is 4 and the value of d is minus 3. Now you only can solve this problem, right? Can you please solve in your book as it is? Here I will solve, you solve in your book, same as it is. Can you continue along with me? Good. So first what we should write? Let the first 4 terms of an AP be. So which are the first 4 terms of an AP? That is a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. Correct? Now what is the value of a? Shall we substitute? Children, can you solve? That is 4. A value is 4 plus d value is minus 3. We write in bracket minus 3. Okay, comma a value is 4 plus 2 into value of d is minus 3. We write in bracket, comma a value is 4 plus 3 into d value. We write in bracket, that is minus 3. Then 4 comma 4 plus into minus is minus 3. 4 plus into minus is minus 2 3s are 6. Comma 4 plus into minus is minus 3 3s are 9. Done. Then again 4 comma 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 6. In 4 can we subtract 6? No. No means minus. Do opposite calculation. That is 6 minus 4 is 2. Comma 4 minus 9. In 4 can we subtract 9? No. No means minus. 9 minus 4 is 5. So which are the first 4 terms of this AP? 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Is this clear? Similarly, one more case shall we solve, that is option number 4. What is the value of a? A is minus 1 and the value of d is 1 by 2. Is this clear? Children, are you getting the steps? Solution. So what shall we write? Can you tell me? Very good. Let the first 4 terms of an AP be a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. Correct? Now what is the value of a? Minus 1, comma a value minus 1 plus d 1 by 2, comma a minus 1 plus 2 into d 1 by 2, comma minus 1 plus 3 d 1 by 2. Done. Is this clear? Then again minus 1 comma, see here in this concept we can see here minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Can you see this? It's fraction, no? It's nothing but a fraction. In minus 1 denominator nothing is there means we should assume 1 is there. So for 1 and 2, can you see the denominators? Can you see the denominators here? So what are the denominators? 1 and 2. So if we take the LCM for 1 and 2, 1 1s are 1, 2 as it is, 2 1s are 1. That's nothing but 2. Understood? The LCM here is 2. Got it? Now what we should do? This entire term, can you see this? Minus 1 by 1. This entire term multiply by LCM. Minus 1 by 1, if you multiply by LCM, what is LCM? 2. Minus into plus, minus 2 1s are 2. Done? Is this clear? Similarly, this entire term, what is this entire term? 1 by 2. This entire term, center is plus, let me write plus. This entire term 1 by 2, we multiply by LCM. What is LCM? 2. Now this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So what is left out? 1. Is this clear? Did you understood? Understood or not? So it is minus 2 plus 1 by 2. Again we can see this 2 and this 2 get cancelled here. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is left out? Minus 1 plus 1. Now again minus 1 plus into plus is plus. 3 ones are 3 by 2. Got it? Got it? Good. That's nothing but minus 1 comma 1 minus 2 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Again what is the LCM? 2. What is the LCM? 2. This entire term multiply by LCM. Correct? Minus into plus, minus 1 2 is 2. This entire term multiply by LCM. Now what is the next? Plus, what is the entire term here? 3 by 2 multiply by LCM. LCM is 2. 2 2 get cancelled. What is left out? 3. Did you got it? Very good. Now last case, minus 1 by 2 comma 0 comma 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2. So this is our final answer. So which are the first 4 terms of this AP? Minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Any doubts? Any doubts? Very good. Now similarly, what is the next option? Option number 5, that is the value of A is minus 1.25. It's given in decimal. No problem. The common difference value is minus 0.25. Minus 0.25. Done? Good. Now let me solve this answer. Solution. Let the first 4 terms of an AP be, that is A comma A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. What is the value of A? Minus 1.25 comma A value minus 1.25 plus D value we write in bracket minus 0.25. Got it? This complete term is one term. If you are getting confusion, we can maintain the brackets. Understood? If you get confused, you can maintain this as a one bracket. Comma, again open the bracket. A value is minus 1.25 plus 2 into D value is minus 0.25. Close the bracket, close the main bracket. Then, comma, A value minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25, close the bracket, close the main bracket. Got it? Now, see here, it's very easy. Minus 1.25, comma, open the bracket, that is minus 1.25 plus into minus, minus 0.25, close the bracket, comma, again minus 1.25 plus into minus, minus 2 into 0.25. See children, whenever you get any calculation, put one working column, do the calculation in the same page, but try to do in pencil. Try to do the calculations in pencil. Now plus into minus, we are multiplying this both, right? 2 into minus 0.25, correct? No, that is 0.25 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 0s are 0. Here after 2 digits we have a point, no? After 2 point is before 2 digits. So here also we have to keep before 2 digits point, that is 0.50. Correct, no children? 0.50. See, 2 times of 0.25. 0.25, 0.25. That is nothing but 0.50. It's easy, no? 25 plus 25 is 50. That's what here. Got it? Now, comma, minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus 3 times of 0.25. 0.75. Very good. Correct, no? 25, 25, 25. 3 times. 0.75. Now, minus 1.25. Minus 1.25. Let me put one working column here. Comma. minus 1.25 minus 0.25. See children, we are adding both the numbers, right? If both are minus, we should write minus only, but we should add. 5 plus 5 is 10, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, point as it is, 1 plus 0 is 1. That's nothing but minus 1.50. Minus 1.50. Any doubts? Again I am doing the next calculation here itself. Let's see. Comma minus 1.25 comma minus 0.50. Both are minus, we write minus, but we add. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, point 1 plus 0 is 1. That's nothing but minus 1.75. Minus 1.75. Similarly, what is the next calculation? Minus 1.25 minus 0.75. Both are minus, we write minus, but we add. 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, point as it is, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2, that's nothing but minus 2.0, that's nothing but minus 2. So, which are the first four terms? Minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75 and then minus 2. I hope you have understood this problem of problem number 2. Any doubts? Is this clear? Did you understood how to find the first four terms? Very good. How two terms we get? Same way you have to get the third term, fourth term. See here. Next term is only 0.25 you have to increase. Minus 1.25. 0.25 if you increase, after 25, 50. Then 75. Then 2. Like that you have to go on further. Solving this type of problems. Any doubts? Very good. I hope you have understood this problem, children. Right? Good, children. Now we continue with the same topic, that is problem number 3. Copy down this question. Yes, children, you can see here question number 3. What is the question is been asked here? For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. They have given the AP. He has already said that it is in AP. Now we no need to cross check whether it is in AP or not. Is this clear? Now here we need to find the first term and common difference. So according to this given sequence, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and so on. What is the first term? First term is 3. Correct now children? This is our first term. Next, how to find the common difference? That is A2 minus A1. What is second term? 1. Minus first term 3. In 1 can we subtract 3? No. No means minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. What is this? D. Correct now? So therefore, shall we highlight this? This is first term and this is common difference. Therefore, the first term is 3 and common difference is minus 2. This is our final answer. Got it? Understood? Very good. Next, let me copy down problem number 2. I mean option 2 in the same case. Here minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. Now here we can see solution for this problem. That's nothing but, what is the first term? Is minus 5. This is our first term. Common difference, that is A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 1. Minus, what is A1? Minus 5. We are getting one more minus. So we write in bracket minus 5. Then minus 1, minus into minus, plus 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the value of D. Right? Therefore, the first term is minus 5 and common difference is 4. This is our final answer. Any doubts? Good. Now let me copy down option number 3. Let me copy down option number 3 in the same case. What is the option number 3? 1 by 3 comma 5 by 3 comma 9 by 3 comma 13 by 3 comma and so on. So here solution answer, first term is 1 by 3. This is our first term. and common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is A2? That is 5 by 3 minus first term 1 by 3. So what is the LCM? 3. For 3 and 3 LCM remains same. If denominators are same, we can add the numerators. That is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 3. This is our common difference. Therefore, the first term is 1 by 3 and common difference is 4 by 3. Any doubts? Good. Similarly, now let me solve option number 4 in the same case. Here what is option number 4? That is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. Right? Solution. What is the first term? First term is 0.6. This is the first term. And common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is second term? 1.7 minus first term 0.6. That's nothing but 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 itself. So the final answer is 1.1. This is our common difference. Therefore, the first term is 0.6 and common difference is 1.1. I hope you all have understood this problem, children, right? Yes. Now we are going to stop this session here itself. In our next session, we are going to continue the problem number 4 of the same exercise. I hope you all have liked this video. If you have liked the video, do not forget to click the like button and comment how was this session. And still, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and forward this video to your all friends and even ask them to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you can find our all videos instantly. Alright? Good. Share your views. What the best we can do for you all. Definitely we are there. The ESCC team is there with you all. Thank you. Keep watching.